Hey everyone, welcome to another review. Today we're taking a look at this Roborock smart cleaning and vacuuming robot. Here we have one of the latest products. This one comes with a few sensors to map out and navigate around your house. It has its little vacuum inside with this box that collects all the dust and stuff. You should clean that at least once a month. It also mops the floor, like I said. You can clean these either once or twice a month, and a bunch of different cleaning and gathering devices below it, and really good wheels to navigate around any type of floor or carpet. So yeah, it is very maneuverable and can map out and go around any type of floor that you need it to. I've been using this for about 4 months now, and the app particularly is fantastic. The mapping for your different floors is very easy because it has different sensors that can help map it out in less than an hour. And after that, you can set it up to prioritize different areas or clean different areas at different times of the day. You have maintenance notifications just to keep in mind that you have to clean the robot, the sensors, different compartments, the dust tray and whatnot. And yeah, you can, after you've mapped out your entire floor, you can go ahead and divide it by sections. If you want to have your vacuum robot clean or prioritize different sections, you can have it just vacuum the living room and then mop and vacuum the kitchen, prioritize a particular hallway, or anything of that sort. Once you have it set up, you can use Siri or Alexa or any device you might have, or even the app, to set itineraries and clean the house whenever you want. It is a self-cleaning robot, so it goes to vacuum and mop the floor, and if it's a really big area, it will go back to the dock, clean itself, and then keep on going through the different places throughout the floor that you decided to clean. And in this particular scenario, I chose to clean the kitchen because I ran the cleaning procedure for the robot last night, but today I decided to do some cooking. So now I want to have the robot clean only the kitchen and do a speed cleaning, not a deep cleaning. So that's what I'm asking it to do. And as you can see, it maps out the path that it takes while it's mopping with different lines to show the mopping and the vacuuming of the area that you've selected. Once it's done cleaning and vacuuming, the robot will go back to its dock automatically and charge itself, clean itself, and be ready for whenever you need to use it next. So if you're in the market for a sort of smart vacuuming robot, I would suggest giving this one a try. We've been loving it so far.